Hello everyone, I am Taha Muhammad. Last night I put my Collatz solution or Fermat, something like that, to Google in order to give me a decision. It was nice. Google didn't find any mistake. Just talking about it is not sure from the fact. Taha's coefficient fact. Okay? Lack rigorous mathematical proof. That means nobody proved it. Please, I am telling the axiom or fact does not need proof, but let me prove it, dear Google. This proof will be my gift to the math world and you, dear Google. The explanation and proof of the Taha's coefficient fact as follows. Let me talk. As you know, when we have three digits, A and B and C, in Fermat situation, let me go to Fermat because coefficient about Fermat. Okay. You have when A smaller than B smaller than C, then you have three possibilities. A plus B equals C, or less than C, or greater than C. Any question? I am sorry. If you have question, I do not hear. Okay, but my goal is you pay attention. Let me take number one. If A plus B equals C, then A to the n plus B to the n, is less than raised to the n. Both sides raised to the n. Okay. Then you get what? First one is not equal to. Good? Okay. What else? Here I proved what? I proved that A plus B equals C. There, Google. Okay. Implied to what? A to the n plus B to the n and not equal to C to the n. Then my Taha's coefficient Fact1 is true. I told always, I can erase always because this is I'm taking for this case. A plus B equals C. Okay. Second possibility, A plus B less than C, raised to the n, you get this information. Again, this relation, small, it is not equal. Still becomes not equal when you get A to the n plus B to. This one, what kind of fact? Not equal to not equal. Fact, Taha's coefficient fact 2 is true always. Cancel always. That's okay. Let me learn from all. One time in the final, I have to tell always. Number 3. A plus B if it is Akbar. Sorry, I was talking Arabic, Kurdish, Turkish. Don't worry, English. A plus B greater than C. Number 3. Okay. Raise this to the n. You will get this smaller than to the parenthesis to the n, but this side greater, that means this side is greater than. Then we have, it became a sandwich like area. This surrounded by greater than C and smaller than or greater than A to the n plus B to the n. Don't worry about this. Come to these two relations, number 1 and number 3. What are, see, number 1 and number 3 relations are what? Possible equal, possible less, possible more. Another 3 situations. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, Taha. Go forward. When you have equal, then I am missing a middle, like a times start from a to the n plus a to the n minus 1. Do you know factorial binomial? I told it is missing k, okay? This one, when equal that, I got that. Here I'm missing k. Maybe you're confused. Let me stop. Okay. I am tired too. I am studying number 1, part of this 3. Possible equal. I am seeing missing the middle. I told it what? K. Why I am missing it? Looks like it is 0. That's the reason. When it is 0, okay, when this middle becomes 0, when A 0 or B 0, but both are not zeros. Contradiction. They are integers. Therefore, A plus B greater than C, this one, also goes to A to the n plus B to the n not equal to C to the n. Because, do you see here? I need to prove that each one of those, number 1, number 2, number 3, goes to A to the n plus B to the n not equal to C to the n. I am done from this. By this thinking, when AK is 0, it means A or B, suppose 0. Otherwise, we should have many terms here in between A to the n, B to the n. Okay. This is a contradiction. It means this is wrong. Equality is wrong. The correct is not equal. A plus B greater than C implies to this. Then Taha's coefficient factor 2 is true. I didn't tell always. Okay? Why I told this is Taha's coefficient factor 2? Because inequality goes to inequality if you use power of A, power of B, power of C by my fact. Number 2, what happened of those two has this relation, first side greater than. Oh, this is no need for proof even. Why? This greater than, it means not equal. Who did let this happen? This. A plus B greater than C became A to the n plus B to the n, not equal to. This is Taha's coefficient fact 2. Why I told 2? Because inequality goes to inequality. Okay. 3. If it is small, then what? It's good. This solution is done. Jump to her immediately. Tell not equal. And became what? A plus B greater than C implies to A to the n plus B to the n not equal to C to the n. Then TCF2 is true. I have to tell her conclusion that always equality or inequality will lead to the A to the n plus B to the n not equal to C to the n. When it is equal by Taha's coefficient fact 1. When it is not equal, like those two, is Taha's coefficient fact 2. Dear Google, I will give this to you tonight. Let me see what is your opinion. And I have to tell my audience who are interesting to look on my videos. I will send this also to companies opening gates companies opening gates, because this is unique solution in the world. See many people telling me your fact is wrong, you didn't prove it. Okay, this is proof, a gift from me to the world. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Taha M. Muhammad, USA, Kurt, Iraq.